Hey, I know you clicked on this video because you're serious about transforming your life and getting that ideal body shape you have been designing for. And of course, to achieve optimal health and vitality. The good news is you have come to the right place because this course is not like the other course that you see out there. It is designed to teach you the concepts behind sustainable weight loss and good health. It is also about building that mindset to get you through the program so that you can enjoy the long-term benefits. I don't really care how many times you have failed before, okay? Because this time it will be different. Because I have addressed three main reasons because of which people mostly fail. Number one, they don't have knowledge. Number two, they're bombarded with wrong information. And number three, they don't have motivation. I have covered all the materials that you would be requiring to make your weight loss journey easier. Believe me, losing weight is not difficult. I'm telling you this from the results that I have seen with my online clients and one-on-one personal clients. But most of the people think that doing crazy amount of cardio, floor exercises and following a starvation diet would give them results. But this is not true. It will only make you exhausted and decrease your longevity. If you want to bring a balance in your life, reconnect with your body to experience the total health and fitness, this is a golden opportunity for you. Alright, now let me walk you through the entire course. Intensive Weight Loss Formula course, IWF, has three main course bundles. The first course bundle here will give you an overview, a clear picture of what you can expect, the milestones that you can hit, why you're doing it, how you're doing it, and all that. Alright, the second course that we have here, which is a diet draft, has covered your meal plans. There is a different set of plans for different phases. There are 4 phases and you will be provided 4 different meal plans. Clear instructions is provided with respect to quantities and how one can change the parameters according to their goals. The third course bundle we have here, which is Workout Library, will provide you the detailed tutorials of exercises. Inside IWF course, there are 2 levels. If at all you have invested in level 1, you will be getting access to 8-week workout plan wherein you will be working out 3 times in a week. But if at all you have invested in level 2 of the program, you will also get access to 8-week workout plan, but you will be working out 4 times in a week. The idea here is putting less efforts to get maximum results. Though it is 8-week plan, you can definitely repeat it 3 to 5 times without actually hitting a plateau, because this is designed in a safe and progressive manner. So this is the value that you would be getting when you invest in Intensive Weight Loss Formula course. The reason this program is different from others is you're not just getting a cheat sheet to follow the routine, but you're understanding the science-backed data and reasoning behind why you're doing what you're doing. We are concentrating on getting that long-term benefits rather short-term transformations. Of course, the goal here is to improve our health and our lifestyle. So this is the reason I have given 6 extra free bonus courses to serve the purpose. The first free bonus that we have here is Fitness Bundle. In this bundle, we will discuss about different kind of fitness routines based on your body type. We will also talk about injury prevention, recovery, everything about fitness. The next free bonus which we have here is Nutrition Bundle. In this bundle, we will figure out how to calculate your daily intake calories, macro proportions, grocery guidelines, cheat meal protocols, bloating, etc. etc. I think this course alone is the deciding factor for you to invest in this program. Okay, moving on to the third free bonus we have here, which is Health Bundle. In this bundle, we will learn to figure out our body mass index and get an idea about our body fat percentage. You will also learn about sleeping rituals, fasting principles, and most importantly, how to break through a plateau. Okay, moving on to the next free bonus we have here, which is mindset. Well, this is the most important bundle that I have created. Most of the people, they do not get through the program because of lack of motivation. So in this bundle, we will work on ourselves to build that mindset which is required to be consistent with your program. You will learn about early morning routines, tips and tricks to take control of your mind. Okay, moving on to the next free bonus that we have here, which is conditioning bundle. In this bundle, there are exercises which helps you improving your flexibility, mobility, balance and stamina. Everything that you need to up your fitness game. The last free bonus that we have here is myths and misconception bundle. In this bundle, we debunk all the wrong information that the internet is feeding you. Unlearning the old ways and relearning the new effective ways is so important, and this bundle does that magic. You know, that's not all. You will also be getting access to my private VIP Facebook group and our bi-weekly online meetups where we will get an opportunity to discuss with one another. Okay, this was the entire walkthrough of all the rich content that you would be getting access to. Just know that when you invest in this program, you will be getting this immense value, that support and encouragement to maximize your results. I cannot wait to be your mentor, and I see you inside my course.